Hello everybody, how are you today? Well, let's study with Teacher Jack again. And today, we are going to study Unit 16, Word Problems Addition. Again, if you are ready to study, please say yes. Okay, let's start. Okay, everybody, please take a look at this presentation, Unit 16, Word Problems Addition. Number one, look at the example. Yeah, so please take a look at the example first, everybody. Peter has 6 apples. Peter has 6 apples. Mary has 6 apples. How many apples are there altogether? So this time you can see that, yeah, you need to read the question first, and after that you need to bring two numbers to sum up together. Yeah, you can see that there are two characters from this question that are Peter and Mary. Peter has 6 apples and Mary also has 6 apples. So they ask you some question, how many apples are there altogether? So I want all of you to notice at this word altogether. I want all of you to take a look at this word altogether. Altogether, it means that you need to sum up two numbers together. That means the number will be increased. Right, everybody? The numbers will be increased. So you can see that Peter's apples equals 6. Mary's apples equals 6. So we need to bring 6 plus 6 altogether equals 12. Right. Two people sum up to 6 apples and 6 apples equals 12. So we can conclude that there are 12 apples altogether. There are 12 apples altogether. Okay, everybody, please take a look at the question number 1. John has 9 pencils. John has 9 pencils. Katie has 7 pencils. Now you can see that there are two characters, like that are John. John is a boy, right? And Katie is a girl. John has 9 pencils, like this 9. If you don't measure that, how many are 9? So you need to take a look at this picture and you can count from this picture. There are 9 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is John's pencils. And Katie has 7 pencils, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these are Katie's. So you need to write the number over here. John's pencils equals 9 and Katie's pencils equals 7. After that, we need to bring number 9 plus number 7 equals number 16. 1 and 6 close together. In English, it is called number 16. And after that, we need to write the sentence to answer this question like this. Yeah, there are 16 pencils altogether. There are 16 pencils altogether because we have already brought number 9 plus number 7 equals 16. And finally, we need to write the answer like this. There are 16 pencils altogether. Okay, everybody, next page. Arun has 2 ice creams, Suwat has 4 ice creams. How many ice creams are there altogether? So Arun has 2 ice creams, but Suwat has 4 ice creams. So you need to write the number over here. Arun's ice creams equals 2, right? But Suwat's ice creams equals 4. So we need to bring number 2 plus number 4 altogether equals 6, right? 2 plus 4 equals 6. So finally, we need to write the sentence like this. There are 6 ice creams altogether because we have already brought number 2 plus 4 equals 6. And the answer is there are 6 ice creams altogether. If you don't make sure, you can take a look at the picture and you can count from the picture as well. And you can count the number of the picture as well. Next, question number 3. Danny has 12 buttons on his shirt. Suwat has 4 buttons. So we have already known that Danny has 12 buttons, like everybody. So we need to write the number over here. Danny's ice creams equals 12, but Suwat's ice creams equals 4. And after that, we need to bring number 12 plus 4 altogether. number 16 because 2 plus 4 equals 6, 1 plus 0 equals 1. 12 plus 4 equals 16. But if you don't make sure that 12 plus 4 equals 16, I recommend you to count the number of the picture over here. Now, so you can understand the answer. And finally, we need to write the sentence like this. Now, there are 16 buttons all together. And there are 16 buttons all together. Next page, everybody. Jim has 11 balloons. Tony has 7 balloons. How many balloons are there altogether? So over here they type in the wrong word, everybody. In fact, it must be balloons. Now, how many balloons are there altogether? So Jim balloons equals 11. So we need to write 11 over here. But Tony's balloons equals 7. So we need to write 7 over here. And after that, we need to bring number 11 plus 7 equals number 18. Because 1 plus 7 equals 8. 1 plus 0 equals 1. So we can conclude that 11 plus 7 equals number 18. But if you don't make sure the answer, you can count the number of the picture from the balloons over here. And finally, we need to write the sentence like this. There are 18 balloons altogether, not ice creams, everybody. There are 18 balloons altogether. Next question. Nipa has 10 books. Karen has 6 books. How many buttons? Not buttons. How many books are there altogether? Now this time, it must be the word books, not buttons. Nipa has 10 books, so we need to write 10. Yeah, Nipa's book equals 10. But Karen's books equals 6, so we need to write number 6. And after that, we need to bring number 10 and 6 to sum up together. The answer is 16. And finally, we need to write in sentence like this. There are 16 books altogether. There are 16 books altogether, and not buttons. So you need to write the word book, B-O-O-K-S. B-O-O-K-S instead of buttons. Okay, everybody. This is the end of my presentation. Hope you enjoyed it today. Thank you so much for taking part in my class. Hope to see you in the next class. And today, bye-bye.